In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Meta Business Suite password. As of March 2026, the password for Meta Business Suite isn't changed inside Business Suite itself. Instead, you update the password of the personal Facebook or Instagram account that's linked to it. We'll do that through Meta's central hub for login and security, called the Account Center. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Meta Account Center. You're looking for the official Meta result that leads to the Account Center, which manages settings across Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. Make sure you choose the legitimate Meta link so you're on a secure page before proceeding. Once you're on the Account Center page, sign in. You can log in with your Facebook or Instagram credentials, depending on which account you use with Meta Business Suite. If you see any security or verification prompts, just follow them to continue. Inside the Account Center, look for the section called Password and Security. This is where Meta groups all your sign-in controls, including password changes and device management. Click into that section to access your password options. Next, select Change Password. This is the action that will update your login details for the account you use to access Business Suite. If you manage multiple profiles under the same Account Center, you may be asked to choose which account you want to change. Pick the Facebook or Instagram account that's connected to your Business Suite, so the update applies where you need it. Now enter your current password, then type your new password and retype it to confirm. Aim for a strong, unique password that you don't reuse elsewhere. Think a longer phrase or a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This helps keep your business assets secure and reduces the chance of unauthorized access. Before you finalize, you'll see an option to log out of other devices. Checking this box is a good idea if you use shared computers, recently used a public device, or simply want to ensure that only your current session stays signed in. It's an extra layer of protection for your pages, ad accounts, and billing tools connected to Business Suite. When everything looks good, click Change Password to save. You should see a confirmation that your password has been updated. From now on, use this new password when accessing Meta Business Suite through your connected Facebook or Instagram account. That's it. By updating the password in the Account Center, you've effectively changed the login that powers Meta Business Suite. Keep your new password somewhere secure, and you're all set.